When using lithium battery systems, many users will encounter an embarrassing problem. As long as the performance of a part of the battery deteriorates, the entire group must be replaced. This not only wastes resources, but also greatly increases the cost of subsequent maintenance. Many batteries that still have good performance are forced to retire early, which invisibly raises the threshold for use. Don't worry, Superpack brings a smarter solution. Mix old and new batteries, replace and use immediately, and flexibly expand capacity. This battery is suitable for two-wheeled and three-wheeled electric vehicles, which is more worry-free and cost-effective to use. Now let's analyze it in detail. In the daily electric vehicle battery system, a combination design of 6 standard modules plus one main control module is usually adopted. One main control module can manage 2 to 10 standard battery modules at the same time. It is known that the specification of each battery module is 12 volts, 25 amp hours. 4 batteries can be connected in series for 48 volts. 6 batteries can be connected in series for 72 volts, and 8 batteries can be connected in series for 96 volts. A maximum of 10 groups can be connected in parallel, and the capacity can be expanded by 250 amp hours. According to the voltage requirements of different models, they can be used in series flexibly. In an era of pursuing battery life upgrades and cost control, Superpack's mixed use of new and old batteries is not only a technological breakthrough, but also a precise response to customer needs. Instead of replacing the entire set, try the Superpack solution. Replace 1 or 2 old batteries and then upgrade with new batteries, so that your equipment can last longer, upgrade more flexibly, and operate more efficiently. Please contact us to get a customized solution.